Eh, zai video yin. Muna service cikin rana saboda ruwa. Yes, sir. We do it outside today. Yes, these are the people cooking Ajah, preparing themselves outside where we have already taken to hold a service because the water has already taken over the temporary place. This will call for your attention to support really the gospel, to build a church pastor for a convenience worship. And as you do so, God will bless you. In a short while, I'm going to show you where the water has already taken over. This is today where we have kept as the elders sit out here. This is the altar. All outside before the room. This is our Reverend Cocin. We are determined to worship even in the storm or in the rain. This is the whole environment of the area of the Wow, this is the water. You can see it. This is where we used to. This is where it used to be a field where worshippers gather before they go in. Now, the water has taken over the place. Welcome. Thank you. Ke baki san inda kike zuwa bane? Zo ki sa wani gown. Yeah, this is where it used to be a central worship place. The water has already taken over. You can see some benches inside water. Yes. But yet, we are determined to serve God in the rain, in the sun, in all conditions. These are the people packing some seeds from the water. Yeah, packing the seeds from the water to outside. That is Eugene, pastor, one of the pastors, trying to carry some people to really make a road for the worshippers to come in. He is really inside water. You can see the water. It's the water you will see throughout from the road. It goes down. Lord have mercy. So, yanzu na muka gaya ma headquarters cewa a mu yi service yawa ruwa ɗauke wuri babu kudin bai kunyo. They will still bring the auditors, abi? Yes, I know on the video. I will send them to the
the Lord.
Where your market?
Just see on our kids as we see they come to in our essays and essays. Be on the standing position as we see in our essays and essays. Choir, please and please give us in number 904. Number 904.
The teachers are here for those farms that are coming from those farms. Or is part of the work. No, say they come Ajah church where you wear white. You wear white coat.